Hi, I'm Anita with Kids Move and Learn, and sometimes parents ask me, what kind of skill, where should I teach first? What's really important? Well, I always like to consider it that there's 5 key areas that you want to focus on or include when you're getting your child ready for kindergarten. And of course, there are so many other iterations and versions of this, but for me, it's the easiest way that I always remember. It goes by the word piles. So if you think about piles, it means PILES stands for each different part of domain of your child. And the first one is physical. So that means like throwing a ball or, kicking something or jumping. The second one is intellectual, which is more about their reasoning, their thinking, or recognition or sorting toys or those kinds of things. The third one is L, language, and that's for your expressive and receptive language. As you know, a 1-year-old listens and hears so many more words than they say, and then by the time they're 3 or 4, they talk a lot. Language is all about that exposure of getting kids to hear new vocabulary and use their language to express themselves. The fourth one is E, which is emotional. Emotional often gets paired with the S, that's social, because in young ages, children, they really learn the emotion through working with other people. However, in this acronym of PILES, E is really targeted at their regulation, their self skills that they may have. For your younger child with E, it's about really just understanding why they're sad or frustrations of how to deal with sadness and other emotions like that. The S is social, and that's about your interaction with other people and your social skills such as sharing or taking turns and things like that. And all of these pieces, as you know, are not done in isolation. We don't teach social skills without language. We don't teach intellectual skills without some physical skills because hands-on is so important. And so when you are, though, trying to target a specific thing, it's helpful to pull it apart to see where something is needing the most help. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you really found this helpful and share it with someone, and comment below on which one of these 5 you would like to learn more about. More videos on each of these different areas is going to be available on the YouTube channel Kids Move and Learn, or check out the website kidsmoveandlearn.com. Thanks. Bye.